the test already. They have become shaheed, they have gone to the heavens already. Allah Ta'ala had called them early from the mess of this world. But the real people who are being tested is you and I. That what are we doing? Are we still missing our salah? Are we still not connecting to the Quran? Are we still, delving in interest? Are we still doing our normal day-to-day lives and forgetting our Muslim brothers and sisters in the other part of this world? So we need to continue making the effort, my dear respected elders and brothers, in whichever way possible. And the greatest effort a person can make is da'wah. Invite each and every person towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Da'wah ila Allah directly. Connect people to Allah. Today, unfortunately, we haven't connected ourselves. So how do we connect ourselves? That speak about Allah day in and day out. That Allah is your Lord, Allah is your Malik, Allah is your Khalik, Allah is your Sovereign, Allah is your Sustainer. Remind ourselves. Look at those brothers and sisters in GAZA. Despite so many difficulties, yet they are connected to Allah. They said, no, we do not want your help. We want the help of Allah. This is what Ibrahim a.s. had said. When Jibreel a.s. comes to Ibrahim a.s. and says that, oh Ibrahim, as a young boy, now you are being thrown into the fire. And let us call the angels of the wind so we can extinguish this fire. Let us call the angels of the rain that we can rain upon this fire. What did Ibrahim a.s. say? That no. Allah is enough for me. Oh Jibreel, I don't need your help also. Today we've seen young children, we've seen those videos that are going on. Young children of GAZA saying the same thing. That we don't need anyone. Allah is sufficient for us. So we need to revive this iman within our youth as well, within ourselves as well. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is the sunnah of Allah when the ummah gives sacrifice. We sacrifice our lives, we sacrifice our time, Allah Ta'ala then revives the deen. When deen is being revived, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brings about prosperity. Sahaba radiallahu anhu gave sacrifice in Makkah, sacrifice upon sacrifice upon sacrifice. And then when they went to Medina, they didn't relax. Okay, now we're in Medina, let's build nice houses, nice gardens, we just relax and that's it. Finished. No. They continued. They continued the effort of deen that Allah Ta'ala has given us iman. How can everyone else have iman? How can everyone else have this wealth of iman and da'wah? That is why those prisoners we see of GAZA that were taken from Israel and brought into GAZA, not a single one of them had something evil to say. Not a single one of them had something bad to say about the people of GAZA. In fact, one of them said that I was treated like a princess. When I asked for clothes, I was given clothes. When I asked for food, I was given food. Initially, I was being intimidated when they were walking nearby. They realized that I'm feeling scared. They started walking far away. They wouldn't even come near to my room just so that I don't feel scared. This was the akhlaq of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. That when that prisoner was brought into Masjid al-Nabawi, and the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told the Sahaba that tie him with the pillar of the masjid. He will see our affairs. For 3 days he was tied. He's seen the Sahaba, mashallah, how they are treating him, they're giving him food mutually. They are respecting Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the adab of the masjid, the implementation of deen and iman. After 3 days, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, free him, he accepts Islam. He goes, he performs ghusl, wudu, he comes in the majlis of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says, I'm ready to accept Islam. This is the way how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides people. So sacrifice is a paramount. What sacrifice you and I have done? We have done no sacrifices. When the ummah falls into luxuries, when the ummah starts drifting away from deen, then the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes. Allah Ta'ala has saved us. It must not be that we get called. I'm not saying the people of GAZA is in punishment. No. It is the iman that has brought them to, Allah is testing them to that level because of the weight of the iman. Allah is not testing us because we will fail. We will fail. So we have to bring iman in ourselves. Sacrifice. What sacrifice we need to do? First and foremost, the first sacrifice we need to do is our